have to do this? Yes! Okay, fine. My name's Hannah and I'm 16.
My name's Parker and I'm 13.
My name's Daniel and I'm 11.
My name's Suddy and I'm 10.
My name is June and I'm Mom, how old am I?
6.
I'm 6.
My name's Kylie and I'm 42.
I'm the dad,
No,
Chris, and I'm 43.
I'm bored. I want to go to the pool. Oh, I'll go downstairs and ask Mom and Dad.
Where is everyone? Yeah, where did everyone go? Huh? I'll just go outside.
Woo, this is so much fun. Hey, Sissy, look. What? I'm going to swim underwater, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, barnacles!
I got
A girl!
I got you, June.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I'll just stay here
Come
because
on,
it's fun.
I'll take you home.
Actually, nah, I can't.
Ugh, I hate this place. Mom, why did you make me come? Because I thought this was going to be fun for you. Well, it's not.
Hey,
I'm out. I'm out of here.
cannonball! Hey, what are you guys? Wait, why is? Hey guys, what are you doing? Hey, hey, Dad, come in. Why though? It'll be so much fun.
Stop making say that.
Okay, fine.